That's my Wanda. Our Wanda. She's sleeping on the top of the table. Alright. Wanda is currently in heat. She's in heat period. That's why her behavior is not unusual. Yeah, we understand you, baby. We understand you. Yeah, we love you. Love Minnie. We love you, baby. We love our pet. We love our Wanda. How are you? Love Minnie. We love her. Babe. Good girl.